Daniel.
Hey.
Long time no see.
Right.
Looking good.
Thanks. Well, I've been saving some extra cash and I'm treating myself, you know.
Not bad. Nice outfit.
Sweet, right? It's designer, okay? A bit expensive lah, but for branded stuff, good deal eh. Come, let me show you.
Wow! You strike lottery, is it? You think because you have extra cash, you can simply spend money? If you have extra money, why not start investing? You could potentially grow your wealth, you know?
But I heard investing quite risky. There's a lot of stories of people being scammed. So I'm investing in myself.
Daniel, if you want to invest, go with a trusted organization like a bank to avoid kena con.
Eh? Isn't it just the same as savings account when you're keeping money in your bank?
No, banks don't just have saving accounts. They can also help to invest your money in different ways too. Investing helps your money's purchasing power to stay strong through dividends and profits.
Wow, not bad. Any tips for a newbie investors like me?
Ask and you shall receive. Start early, invest long term. Perform a risk profile assessment before you start investing. Diversify your portfolio. For example, I'm investing with this bank.
Oh, so what kind of investment plans do they offer?
There are products like Term Investment Account I. This one is pretty low risk and suitable for new investors.
Ah, nice. Is there anything that could get me higher returns?
Of course, there are many unit trust funds that you can choose from.
Okay.
You could get higher returns, but higher returns could come with higher risk.
Wow.
And don't forget regular saving plans. This one, good for you.
Why leh?
Because you can invest regular amount every month so that you are more disciplined with your investments.
Wow, there are quite a few options. But I'm a bit concerned that it will be too much of a commitment.
Hey, don't bite off more than you can chew, okay? You should adjust based on your financial capabilities. I would suggest 10 to 15% of your monthly income, and you can invest from as low as 100 ringgit per month.
Wow, sounds like a number I can work with. Thanks, Alicia. You sound like my money seafood. Come, let me belanja you makan today. Alright? Waiter!